This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes up when trading in the stock market, please consider subscribing to the channel. I am currently viewing Apple at the moment. I am thinking of taking a long position. I think that there's a chance that Apple could continue higher. So I am going to look to purchase some call contracts here, anticipating that the price is going to increase. I am now in the trade. I bought 4 call contracts at 144. Let's see if the price of Apple can continue higher. So at this point, Apple is beginning to show some selling pressure. I was wanting to see a quick move to the upside, but it looks like we're encountering a bit of resistance here. I do have a stop loss in mind, so if it doesn't work out, I will just take a small loss. But I'm going to give it some time here to see if it's going to regain some momentum here and maybe give us a nice push to the upside. So let's see what ends up happening with the price action here. So Apple seems to be stalling here. It's not giving me the momentum that I was hoping for. I wanted to see a quick move to the upside, but it just doesn't seem to be moving any higher at this point. My stop loss hasn't been triggered just yet, so I'm going to stick to my plan. It's either going to work or it's not, and if it doesn't, I'll just get stopped out here for a small loss. It's attempting to push higher, but we'll see what happens with it here. So Apple is not showing any type of buying pressure at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and exit the position. So I am all out for a $52 loss. And look at the selling pressure. Look at this red candlestick that is now forming. You can see there is some panic beginning to occur. And it's a good thing I honored my stop loss because otherwise I would have been down even more. So all out for a $52 loss. So a good trade plan overall. It just didn't work out, and that's just how it goes sometimes. But all in all, just remember to keep your losing trade small, because if you do that, it's much easier to overcome small losing trades. And you can see here, Apple is still declining. Once we broke through that level of support, the price continued to move down. And I actually exited the position at 130. You can see that the bid is now at 104, 103 now. So had I been undisciplined, I would have been down much more than $52. So please remember to honor your stop loss and prevent massive losses. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.